Hurricane Nicole cut a path of destruction across Florida. A storm surge swept away the land beneath these beachfront homes near Daytona Beach. Some collapsed. Others along the shore appear doomed.
This is very rapidly deteriorating right here.
Look behind me here. You can see this whole part of this outer decking here from Pirates Cove has collapsed.
You can see debris flying as massive waves pound this pier in Deerfield Beach. This is what it was like to be pounded by the hurricane on the highway. Torrential rain as other vehicles become blurs. And could it be? Those fins sure look like sharks swimming in the flood.
A couple sharks swimming on the streets.